Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable print logging in Event Viewer, Windows 10. Type event bwr.msc in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand Applications and Services Logs. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click Print Service. Click Open. Right-click Operational. Click Properties. Uncheck Enable Logging. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.